In a world where rapid growth often leads to chaos, KS2 defied the odds with strategic changes. This Montreal-based manufacturer specializes in innovative solutions for EVs and RVs, revolutionizing the industry. Spreadsheets became overwhelmed, signaling the urgent need for a transformative solution in their operations. Operations Manager Kendra Skapatiksi recognized the dilemma, leading to a pivotal search for MRP software. After exploring alternatives, MRPeasy emerged as the clear winner, affordable and perfectly designed for small manufacturers. With a user-friendly interface, employees embraced MRPeasy, experiencing a remarkable boost in productivity from day one. Access to extensive online resources, simplified onboarding, making learning the software a breeze for the team. The customer-facing side underwent a major upgrade, slashing quote response times to an impressive 24 to 48 hours. Invoicing became quick and straightforward, enhancing financial operations while effortlessly managing cross-border transactions. With newfound data control, KS2 empowers decision-making, showcasing how MRP can be approachable and efficient.